Small-scale producers training resources. Poultry housing. The goals of this module are to 1. Explain why your chickens need a house. 2. Demonstrate some ways to build a chicken house. 3. Teach you how to look after the house. 4. Explain how to build nests for your female chickens to lay eggs. 1. First, let's ask, why do your chickens need a house? Although it's good for your birds to roam freely outside during the day, at night they should go inside a house. This keeps them safe from storms, predators, and theft. 2. Now, let's learn how to build your chicken house. You do not need to spend a lot of money on building a house. You can use recycled materials to make it. The house must have a roof. You could use grass or old scrap. When selecting your roof, make sure to think of airflow. A grass roof is good for ventilation. A metal roof could make your chickens uncomfortable when it's hot if there's no shade overhead, as metal heats in the sun. The house should be big enough to comfortably house your flock. As a guide, allow for 6 birds per square meter. 3. How to look after your chicken house. Keep the house clean and dry. You should clean the house when it gets wet or dirty. It is better to clean it during the day when the birds are outside. Sweep the house. Remove the manure and put in new dry bedding. The bedding should be soft. It can be made from materials such as dry leaves, dry grass, peanut shells, rice husks, or wood shavings. Most important is that the materials used are fully dried. The old manure and bedding can be spread on your crop fields. 4. Building the nests. Female chickens like to have a safe place to lay eggs. You should avoid letting your chickens lay eggs on the floor by providing nests. Your nests should allow the chicken to sit and should provide shelter above their heads. Keep the floor of the nest dry. Here too, you can build boxes with wood or use recycled materials like old buckets. Collect eggs from the nests every day to eat with your family or sell in your community. This will encourage the chickens to lay more eggs and will stop the eggs from getting damaged.